Step number 3 for getting started with yoga at home is to explore different yoga styles and find what works for you. Hello and welcome back. My name is Morgan with Morganlee Yoga. I am so glad that you are here, and I am talking today about yoga at home and how to get started. I created a little mini YouTube series going through the first 5 steps that I think you should take when you are just getting started with yoga at home, and today we're talking about step number 3. Along with this, I have a PDF that you can download to access all 5 steps that walks you through it in much more detail. And if you prefer reading and seeing pictures, definitely grab that. I'll leave the link down below. But let's go ahead and get started. Number 3 is going to be learning the different yoga styles and choosing the one that works for you. So there are a lot of different yoga styles out there, and I do not cover everything in this video, and I will not cover everything in my PDF. There's just too much to cover because you can mix and match, and there's hybrid. Wow, there's a lot. I just want you to have permission to explore and try different ones. Read a little bit about them if it sounds interesting to you. Get on YouTube, type it in, try it out, and try it out more than once. Choose 2 or 3 different teachers before you make a decision on that specific style of yoga, because it will change from teacher to teacher, and then you'll know for sure whether or not you like it. So let's quickly just run through the top yoga styles and what that might look like. Okay, step number 3, explore different yoga styles. We have our vinyasa flow. That is where you're going to be moving fluidly from one pose to the next. Yin yoga, this is usually seated or laying down, and you will be holding each pose for 5 to 10 breaths. Restorative yoga, very similar to yin yoga, except you will be using a lot more props, and you are really working on restoring your body, giving it a chance to rest. Moving down, we have our hot yoga, which can be any form of yoga, just done in a very warm room. It can be up to 105 degrees. My caveat with this one is please don't try this at home on your own. It is much easier to get injured with hot yoga because your muscles stretch easier and you can overstretch way faster. So please do this with a professional yoga teacher who has experience. Then we have Ashtanga yoga. This is a yoga that follows a set sequence every single time. There is 6 different levels, so you'll start at level 1 and you practice that one until you get all of the poses done correctly, and then you can move up a level and it builds on each other. It's a very strong, centered yoga. So then we have our power yoga. And that is very fast-paced. You are moving up and down, and you are focusing a lot on building muscle. Some people use weights, incorporate those in. It's core-centered. You will definitely build up a sweat, and it focuses on your strength and endurance. So there you have it. Those are the basic yoga styles. Get out there, do some research of your own, try a few out and see what works for you, and then you can jump on in and get started with your own practice at home. If you are liking content similar to this, I go into so much more detail in my 10-week Harmony Yoga at Home course. To learn more about that, I will also leave a link for that below. You can sign up there. You can read all about it. It's a great place to start if you're just beginning your yoga at home journey. Thank you for being here, and we'll see you in the next video. Namaste.